So you like this one better?
I do, yeah.
Okay. No, we really like it out here. This is awesome. Like, this is so cool. This is just chilling in the middle of the U.S.
Good morning, everyone. It is day one here in Utah. This morning we went to go get some coffee at the Westside Coffee Company here in Minden. I think we're in Minden.
It was in Logan.
It was in Logan. So we got some coffee this morning. We're ready to go up to our hike. We're getting ready to go up to Tony Grove, which was recommended by our Airbnb host. So we're really excited to go check that out. Highly recommended that we go up there.
By both of them.
By both of them to see it. The seasons are starting to change, so you can kind of see the leaves turning from their greens to their reds and the yellows. It's just really awesome.
It's beautiful. So we're driving through Logan Canyon right now, and like Christian said, the colors are popping. They are so beautiful. The red is out and the orange, and so this is a great time to drive through this canyon because there's literally trees just surrounding you everywhere.
We just arrived here at Tony Grove, and man, it's really awesome. It's just a little lake up here on the side of the mountain.
Driving up, there were a lot of cows along the side of the road as well, which was kind of strange because we were talking like, oh, Yellowstone, we were worried about the bison, and Glacier, we were worried about the bears, and here now it's, oh, cows.
It's cows
the
everywhere.
Wild cows. This is a really pretty alpine lake up here. So we spent about 20 miles driving through Logan Canyon, and then we turned left on a street labeled Tony Grove. So this is a very, very easy hike.
Yeah, it's just you literally walk around the lake.
And it's paved.
Yeah, it's paved.
So it's nice. And the drive up here was paved as well. Parking wise, it does cost money to park here, but if you have an America the Beautiful pass, our annual pass got us free parking here. Yeah. So the pass is paid for itself like twice already. So we really recommend America the Beautiful if you're going to do any exploring of the US. So 430 million years ago, recently, this would have been, they said this would have been like a day at the beach because the edge of the Pacific Ocean was right here. So there's fossils in the rocks of the sea creatures that swim in these waters. That is insane. Like the Pacific Ocean was right here. That's so pretty.
Ashley, what do you think about this?
I think that is so pretty up there.
We found some friends. So there's some cows right in front of us just staring at us. I think they're waiting for us to keep hiking.
So we're at the end of the loop. So we actually did the whole loop without meaning to. It's about, mile and a half. And so now that we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and head all the way up to Bear Lake now to do some kayaking. Beautiful Bear Lake, and we're just looking for a beach to put our kayak in at. We've seen one organized beach, but it was pretty crowded. I don't know if the color of this water is coming through, but it is beautiful. It has that Caribbean blue color.
All right, so we are back at it. Another kayaking video. Hopefully this time I have less flub showing.
Commence kayak inflation.
Ta-da!
All right, so we have our waterproof box, just in case we need SOS help. Then we're gonna put our paddles together and switch to the GoPro so we do not drown this camera. All right, we are at the edge of the water and we are getting ready to hop in. I think Christian's gonna go first, but look how beautiful this is. Great execution. We're just spinning in circles, oh my God. One day we're gonna be really good kayakers. It feels kind of good because it's about 75 out, but the sun's out now and it's getting kind of hot. But yeah, the water feels pretty good. It's really windy where we were earlier where we flew the drone. But over here, it seems that we can at least control the kayak enough so that we don't capsize it or get blown out to the middle. But we do have our phone in that waterproof box. That way, you know, if we have to call anybody or anything bad happens, then we are not stranded out here. But look how beautiful this water is.
Wow, it's crazy.
This is called the Caribbean of the Rockies because of how clear and blue this water is. And I agree, it's beautiful. The wind hasn't been too bad. We have no problem getting back to the shore. We've been practicing. And so yeah, we feel pretty confident. This is Bear Lake. It is split between Idaho and Utah pretty evenly. And we drove around about half the lake looking for somewhere to put in a kayak, and there really isn't a lot of places. There's some if you want to rent, but we had our own and didn't want to obviously pay. No, we really like it out here. This is awesome. Like, this is so cool. This is just chilling in the middle of the US. I'll say we have to get a famous Bear Lake raspberry shake before we leave. So once we get this kayak deflated and such, that is what we're gonna do because we've heard a lot about them. So instead of going somewhere and getting one shake each, we thought we'd go to 2 different places and try 2 different versions of the famous raspberry shake. So the first place we came to is called LeBeau's, and it's the original. It's been around, I think it's one of the first ones, if not the first one. So this was what, $6?
Yeah, $6. And what we read online is this one and surprisingly Chevron, which is a gas station, has the second or first best. It's a toss-up, I think.
Chevron has been rated like the best one.
So I'm a little skeptical about that. So we're gonna find out what LeBeau's is like.
My expectations are very high for the gas station.
And then we're gonna go up to Chevron. So we're gonna give this one a try. I'll have the first bite.
Oh, you will? Okay.
You can have the first bite.
He's better at describing food anyway.
A lot of ice cream. It's very ice creamy. It's a soft raspberry flavor. And there's like little bits of raspberry in there already.
I'm gonna try.
It's very soft though, it's very good.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, it's really like soothing. It's not like too much. It's not like overwhelming.
Smooth. I'm like drooling. Oh my God.
It's really good. We're gonna dive into it a little bit more.
But yeah, very smooth, but the raspberry flavor really pops. Yeah, no, this is really good.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We might not even go to Chevron.
We're going to. We have to try it. I want to.
All right, guys. I hate to say it, but I think Chevron's better. I'm gonna have Ashley's opinion next, but this is really good. So it's kind of like, it's a gas station, obviously, but like there's like a deli and like a creamery and everything in there, so it's kind of like an all-in-one. But I told him, I was like, I heard you guys get good shakes. He's like, you heard right.
So you like this one better?
I do. Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna try.
You like LeBeau's better, or do you like this one?
I can't tell. They gave us a 10. It is a lot more creamy and thick.
Thin.
Thin?
This one's thinner. That one's
really
thicker.
I don't know.
But we got a lot of shake to eat.
I feel like it has a lot more flavor.
Yeah, it does.
I'm just really onto these shakes.
And that's going to conclude our vlog today. We appreciate you guys watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let us know and we will haul our butt to Utah.
So we actually do have 2 more days, 2 more full days here, and like a half day. So tomorrow we are going to go to Salt Lake City for a little bit and then head down to Moab. We have a few more Utah adventures, so make sure you subscribe. We really, really love it here.
Yes. And thank you again for watching, guys. It is getting a bit hot now. Temperature's gone up quite a bit. I'd say about an average of about 20 degrees or so.
My bag of poo.
spinning.
He will give me the long paddle. I was so sure and I was like, let's take a good video and it'll look so cute.
Okay,
we can't go anywhere.
We're drifting really hard now, Ashley.
Give me
Here.
the paddle and I'll do it. Give me the paddle.
Here.